Hey people, welcome back to my channel and today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to you all. I woke up early in the morning and stepped towards the mirror and then I realized कि मेरे बाल जो हैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा रफ हो चुके हैं and my skin is totally dull nowadays. I have noticed some of the pigmentation on my lip area and blackheads on my nose. So let's pamper ourselves together. I am going to take a shower and see you in a while. So I have taken bath already. As you can see, do you know, जो आपके बाल हैं they also need some love and some care. So always use a microfiber towel to wrap your hair. And if you want to get rid of the issue of split ends, please don't rub your hair with towel. As you can see, मैं अपने बालों को प्रेस कर रही हूँ नीचे की तरफ instead of rubbing them together. Now you can see my hair are totally dry, not totally dry, लेकिन मेरे बालों में से अब पानी नहीं गिर रहा. Now I am applying a serum on my hair, a 3 to 4 pumps of serum only. और उसके बाद मैं उसे अपनी फिंगर्स से अप्लाई करूँगी. और you can say I am going to detangle my hair by using my fingers only. Please avoid combing your hair. Let them dry first, तभी आप कॉम करना. टेकिंग अ बाथ मेरी आइज़ रेड हो जाती हैं, मुझे नहीं पता क्यों, और मेरे पापा की भी हो जाती है. So I'll be back after drying my hair in normal sunlight, not with a dryer. So I just came out and realized कि आज तो बिल्कुल भी तेज़ धूप ही नहीं है, but this much sunlight is sufficient to dry my hair. और वैसे भी इतनी गर्मी हो गई है, शायद मुझसे यहाँ पे इतनी देर रुका ही नहीं जाता. तो as you can see, I am combing my hair by using my fingers, और you can say I am detangling them, जो मेरे हेयर फॉल का इशू बिल्कुल सॉल्व कर चुका है. Now it's time to do the skin care and please secure your hair by using a hair band, क्योंकि इससे पहले आपने बहुत मेहनत करी है अपने बालों को साफ़ करने में, धोने में और उन्हें मैनेज करने में. So our first step heading towards the pampering day is to shave your face, but I am going to skip this step क्योंकि मेरे face पे अभी hair नहीं है and I have shaved 2 days before only. I am using a rose hip scrubber from Good Vibes and the fragrance is amazing. The particles of the scrubber is very tiny और ये आपकी skin पे बिल्कुल भी harsh feelings नहीं रखते हैं. Before applying the scrubber, please wet your face by normal water और उसके बाद आप स्क्रबर अप्लाई करना शुरू कर सकते हैं. As you can see, मैं इसे ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म ही कर चुकी हूँ and see the dusty pink color and the application is very smooth and soft. I have added some of the water droplets ताकि इसका फॉर्मुलेशन और भी स्मूथ हो जाए और हमारी स्किन को पर कोई भी इफ़ेक्ट ना हो. एंड प्लीज़ नोटिस दैट आई एम रोटेटिंग माई हैंड इन अ सर्कुलेशन मोशंस ताकि आपके जो पोर्स हैं वो अच्छे से क्लीन हो जाएं विदाउट डैमेजिंग दैम. द स्क्रबर विल एक्सफोलिएट योर स्किन, जिससे कि ऑटोमेटिकली आपका फेस ग्लो करने लग जाएगा. प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ द एवरी पार्ट ऑफ योर फेस, चाहे वो फोरहेड हो, चीक्स हो, चिन हो. After scrubbing your face, please use a clean towel to wipe your face और उसको आप डैब डैब करके ही क्लीन करें. Don't rub your face with a towel. And see the difference in a first go. This is the only first step we have done right now. So our next step is to apply a charcoal mask and this is from Bombay Shaving Company. So I am applying this directly with a tube and later I will spread it. And I am spreading this all over my face by using this brush, and you can spread this by using your fingers as well. But last time when I used my fingers to spread this, ये मेरे nails में बहुत बुरी तरह फंस गया था. And please apply a bit thicker layer of this क्योंकि ये remove होने में थोड़ी सी problem create करता है. And please keep it till it dry. So I am back and it is completely dry. You can see कि ये मेरी स्किन पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से फिक्स हो चुका है और I am finding the edges to remove it. So finally I got a corner और ये oh my god, this is so satisfying. Hear this voice for a second. जो ये पील हो रहा है ना, इसकी आवाज़ कितनी satisfying है. Anyways, let's back into the content and the peeling is so mesmerizing और इसने मेरे सारे ब्लैक हेड्स ऑलमोस्ट रिमूव कर दिए हैं. आपको भी दिख रहे होंगे ब्लैक हेड्स नहीं लेकिन वाइट हेड्स तो यू कैन सी. सो माई स्किन इज़ क्लियर नाउ एंड फटाफट से रिमूव हो जाए एंड वी विल गेट बस इन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. Now it's all removed and you need to just wash your face with normal water. Again dab it with a clean towel. So it's time to spray some toner and I am using this toner since long. It's a rose toner from Lotus and the fragrance is amazing. Let it dry quickly and let's get into the next step. Now it's time for the sheet mask and this is one of my best part and I stored my sheet mask in a refrigerator ताकि ये और ठंडा हो जाए और मेरी स्किन को और ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से रिलैक्स कर सके. एंड दिस शीट मास्क इज़ फ्रॉम नायका. उसमें लिखा था स्किन सीक्रेट मेड इन कोरिया एंड यू नो कोरियन ब्रांड्स आर फेमस फॉर स्किन केयर. कोरियंस की स्किन इतनी अच्छी होती है ना कि वी कांट टेक आवर आइज ऑफ. And I'm helping toner to get absorbed in my skin. It's taking too much time. So finally it's time to apply your sheet mask and it's of turmeric and coconut for revitalizing and radiant skin if I'm not wrong. At least keep this for 15 minutes on your skin to get all the serum absorbs and let it dry. And it's done. 15 minutes are completed and it's very easy to see a video in continuity. The 15 minutes are vanished in few seconds. And after removing a sheet mask, please massage it with your fingers so that the excess serum get absorbed in your skin. And the serum which is left in the packet, please pour it on your hand and massage it gently on your face. Now it's time to use the gua sha and it's from Just Herb. The packaging is very amazing and see how it looks. It's in sort of metallic thing but this is too heavy or it's written Just Herb on the top of it. So the gua sha is a type of treatment which is very famous in foreign countries and nowadays Indian peoples are also fond of it. It has many benefits and the main benefit is that it circulates blood in our face part और the direction of the gua sha is from lower to upper side. जिस तरीके से हमारा blood flow होता है उसी तरीके से हमें इसको direction wise करना होता है and it is designed so beautifully कि हमारे जो corners हैं edges हैं उसमें इसकी shape बहुत perfectly fix होती है. It has ample of benefits and it helps to reduce the puffiness near your eye area और इससे आपकी एजिंग भी कम होती है, wrinkles भी कम होते हैं और जो आपके ब्लड सर्कुलेशन की वजह से आपके फेस पे ग्लो आएगा. दिस हैज़ अ ह्यूज एडवांटेज और whenever I used this I have feel the flow of the blood. And it's completely done. I am rubbing the serum which is left and see the natural glow and the happy face of mine. So the next part is to apply the moisturizer and it's a gel based moisturizer from Dot & Key. See how beautiful it is and it's a gel based moisturizer और ये आपकी स्किन पे स्टिकीनेस भी फील नहीं कराएगा. It's very lightweight. Now it's time to apply this moisturizer to all over my face and this is so smooth और आपकी स्किन पे ये कोई हैवीनेस और कोई लेयर क्रिएट नहीं कर रहा. It's going to immediately absorb in your skin. So at the end it's time to pamper your lips as well and I am using a lip mask from Just Herbs and it's in rose flavor. The fragrance is amazing and as you can see ये भी बिल्कुल ख़त्म होने वाला है and I am using this since long और my lips are too soft after using this. So So thank you for watching this video and I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe, and please save this video for future. I know this video is going to help you a lot. I would like to tell you something very important to you, that please pamper yourself, love yourself and treat yourself the way you want others to treat you. क्योंकि जब आप खुद से प्यार करोगे तभी तो आप उस फीलिंग को फील कर पाओगे. So that is all for today's video and I hope you are going to work on this lesson today. So till then, bye bye, take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.